So, a little weary, a little tired, big trip up north to the Great North Woods, and this is the first little shorts. I'm going to do these J&D Nature shorts. Maybe Jody will do one someday, but this is D. This is Dennis of J&D, of course, and also known as the Gunk and other multiple names, I guess. Anyhow, we'll let that stand that way. So this is on Canadian yellow swallowtails, basically. A little bit up there, up in the Great North Woods. Sometimes they have these insurrections where they just mass down in phenomenal numbers. I was there this week from June 8th to June 15th. The numbers were not as crazy as it has been in some years, but I did capture some footage. And it's something, if you go up there, it's one of the species you want to look for. I am going to be putting together a full-length sort of documentary thing what I'm working on. So I'm going to be doing these little shorts here and there, maybe on a single animal or species or something. I really, at age 60 now, I can no longer explore the Great North Woods the way I used to. So unfortunately for me, I didn't get into all my places, but you know what? It's okay. I mean, I've experienced some great stuff up there, and I did capture some unbelievable stuff with some moose again. Oh, yes. Well, I mean, it's unbelievable. It's just a moose in the water, but I like it. Okay. Anyhow, back to the Canadian yellow swallowtail. This is a short, and I know I'm rambling, so it could be a medium short. Thanks for tuning in. Well, that's it on the Canadian swallowtail. They range from central Alaska through all of Canada, just about. Not way up where it's frozen Canada, but where there's the boreal forest and very edge of the temperate forest to northern New England and the northern parts of Michigan and Minnesota area. Pretty much that is their range. The caterpillars feed on aspens and birch leaves. Uh, they're very numerous. They're not a species of concern right now, so it's a good thing. One that's not a species of concern, but as all species, must watch and see, how the future takes us in this planet. So thank you. I hope you just enjoyed the quick little short Canadian swallowtail.